County health officials are seeing a dramatic increase in the number of whooping cough cases reported so far this year. They've already seen 85 cases, including one infant death, compared to only 14 cases in all of 2013. The consistent cough could last for weeks or a month and may even cause vomiting.
So whooping cough is easily spread person to person. Anytime somebody coughs, little droplets are in the air and you breathe in those droplets to make you sick. And we don't really know why there's an increase this year. Usually every 3 to 5 years or so we see an increase in whooping cough, and it just might be one of those years that we're seeing a large increase.
They say the best way to beat the illness is by getting vaccinated.